Hey sippers, welcome back to a crazy gossip video. No, BIA honey, BIA. The female rapper who dragged the F out of Cardi B has a famous soundtrack on the Bad Boys for Life movie, honey. It's called Lights Out, and I listened to the song. BIA is very talented. Now, after BIA announced her own music soundtrack, right? Cardi B is gonna take to station head that she has something on the way. Now, if this isn't the album, we all know it's a song. And at this point, I don't know if it's just me, but Cardi seems very not interesting to listen to. Like, none of her music is given. And she said, BIA was not interesting to her. She doesn't like BIA's sound, how BIA looks, her song. But the question is, who's liking Cardi B's songs? I feel like Cardi's losing her relevancy. And how she speaks on people, like, I feel like Cardi's delusional, because you think nobody likes your music? You think everybody in the world likes your music, your sound, and how you look, and, all these things? Not everybody thinks Cardi B is interesting, okay? So many people are like, please, Cardi B is not a female rapper. She's an influencer, honey. People don't stream Cardi's music, allegedly. They only tune in to hear what she gotta say. If she's making a rant, if she's cussing somebody out, because that's what she knows how to do best. Now, Cardi B fans are dragging the F out of BIA. Honey, they're like, BIA, go sit down. You're not talented, girl. You're only trying to gain clout from Cardi B. Cardi B doesn't have no clout, sweetheart. Cardi only has Offset and Atlantic Records, honey. I doubt Cardi even writes her own music. So what does Cardi B have? That could save her career or makes it look like, okay, she's the clout, because Cardi's not the clout. Okay? And for everybody who's saying BIA is not talented, y'all need to go and listen to BIA's songs. She is her own songwriter, and she writes songs for other people, period. But let us know what you guys think about BIA basically winning the challenge, getting her happy ending, because while Cardi B's dragging BIA has a whole song on the Bad Boys for Life soundtrack. Now, let me know what you guys think down below in that comment section, honey. Do y'all think Cardi B is losing her relevancy? Let me see those comments and see y'all next time. And thank you for sipping with us.